Welcome to our video on artificial intelligence, or AI for short. In this video, we'll be discussing what AI is, or how it works. What is AI? AI stands for artificial intelligence. It refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. It can include tasks such as understanding natural language, recognizing objects and images, making decisions, and playing games. There are many different forms of AI, including machine learning, deep learning, and neural networks. How AI works. AI works by using algorithms and statistical models to enable machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as recognizing speech, identifying objects and images, and making decisions. One of the key technologies that makes AI possible is machine learning, which involves training algorithms using large amounts of data so that they can improve at a task over time without being explicitly programmed. There are several types of machine learning, including supervised learning, or unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Deep learning, which is a subfield of machine learning, is particularly useful for tasks such as image and speech recognition. It uses neural networks, which are modeled after the structure of the brain, to learn from large amounts of data. To train a neural network, a large dataset is used to adjust the parameters of the model. This process is called training. Once the training is done, the AI system can perform the task it was trained for, such as object recognition and images, with a high degree of accuracy. Overall, AI systems are designed to process and analyze data, learn from it, and make predictions or decisions based on their understanding of the data. How AI helps humans in daily life. AI can help humans in many aspects of daily life. Here are a few examples. Personal assistants. AI-powered personal assistants, such as Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, can help with tasks such as setting reminders, playing music, or answering questions. Smart home devices. AI-enabled devices, such as thermostats or security cameras, can be used to control and monitor a home remotely. Transportation. AI-powered navigation systems can help drivers find the most efficient routes and avoid traffic, and self-driving cars can make transportation safer and more efficient. Healthcare. AI can be used to analyze medical images, such as X-rays or CT scans, to assist with diagnosis and to monitor patients' vital signs remotely. Shopping and customer service. AI-powered chatbots can assist with online shopping and can provide customer service through instant messaging. Entertainment. AI-powered recommendation systems can suggest movies or music that a user might like, and AI-powered voice assistants can help you control your streaming services. Social media. AI can be used to moderate content, to suggest friends, and to show you personalized ads. Education. AI can be used to personalize the learning experience and to help with tasks such as grading essays. These are just a few examples of how AI can be used to improve daily life. There are many more applications that are being developed and will be developed in the future. Is AI dangerous for human? While AI has the potential to bring many benefits, there are also some potential dangers that need to be considered. One of the main concerns is the potential for AI systems to displace human workers, leading to job loss and economic disruption. Additionally, if AI systems are not properly designed and regulated, they can perpetuate and even amplify biases present in the data used to train them, leading to unfair and discriminatory decision-making. Another concern is the lack of accountability for the actions of AI systems. As AI systems become more autonomous, it can be difficult to hold any specific individual or organization accountable for their actions. Furthermore, AI can raise ethical concerns such as the use of autonomous weapons or the development of AI systems with superhuman intelligence that could potentially outsmart humans. Finally, as AI systems are being increasingly used to make decisions and take actions, there is a risk that individuals and organizations may become too dependent on them and unable to function without them. It's important to note that these concerns can be addressed through proper governance, regulations, and research. Governments, researchers, and industry leaders are actively working to mitigate these risks and to ensure that the development and use of AI is responsible and beneficial for all. Additionally, AI researchers and engineers have the responsibility to make sure their AI models are fair, explainable, and robust to misuse. Thank you for watching our video on AI. We hope you have a better understanding of what AI is and how it works. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this.